Hi everyone! Welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing video of this Little Bits box from Mommy Lay Designs for the month of September 2018. I am really excited to see the contents of this box because September is the birth month of Mommy Lay and I know that the design for this box will be extra special. So if you are in the Philippines or if you are from the Philippines like me, you might want to order from Planners Haven. That is where I order my Little Bits box because you can save from shipping fee from the United States to the Philippines, and they will send you your digital kit code way ahead of time, even before you receive your box. So without further ado, let's open this box. Okay. I'm so excited. And ooh, just look at how pretty this box is. Okay, let's start. Okay, first is this one. She is strong and beautiful. I really love this design. I started subscribing from Mommy Lay since I think July of this year, 2018, and so far this is my favorite design. This is very me. This is very beautiful, so feminine yet very classy, and wow, I run out of words. So she is strong and beautiful, and at the back, that is where you would see the contents or the list of the contents of the box. And at the bottom part of this card is where you would see the code for the digital kit. So let's go on to the next one. Let's look at this planner. I just removed the plastic wrapper. Oh, just look how pretty this planner is. So this is a basics planner in leather. Synthetic, I think this is synthetic leather, but this is very beautiful. Just look at those gold glitters and those hand-painted effect. Wow, this is just beautiful. We have this gold elastic, and again this is a B6 planner with 4 elastics for the insert. It has a secretarial pocket and a card pocket as well on both sides. Oh, this is so pretty. Everything about this planner is so pretty. Oh, I can't get over this one. This is really pretty. So aside from this beautiful B6 planner, we also have these 2 clear plastic for the dashboard. This is also in B6 size, and we also have this notebook insert. So now let us go to She is Fierce. Just look how beautiful this cloth pouch is. Also, it has a tag from Mommy Lay, and a little girl is holding her planner. This is so cute. And it has an extra cloth inside. I think this is the lining. Oh, I'm so excited to use this one. Okay, now let us go to this bag. Everything about this box is so beautiful. I just put it on the side first because I was hoping that I'll get the gold pen because I love gold, pink, and diamonds. So thankfully, thank you so much, Planners Haven and Mommy Lay, because you sent me this gold pen. I really like the design. You just need to twist this one to start writing. And then after that one, we have this washi tape, the Little Bits box washi tape with that design. Also a floral design with some gold dots There you go. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next is this planner clip with a matte gold paper clip and this beautiful design that says hello. On to our next goodie is this planner charm. I think I saw from Leona Chinky that you just need to remove the plastic cover of this planner charm. There, I was able to get it. And also the other side, you have to remove it. This is very dainty. That little girl in this hot air balloon full of flowers, and this is really dainty. So these are the die cuts for this month's subscription. So we have some bows, a house, a pen, this stack of washi tapes, this pretty little girl, bless this mess, home is where you are, home in this caddy, and then embrace change. We also have this mug, these candles, with you I am home. Just look at how pretty this girl is. And then home is you. We also have this hot air balloon. We also have this planner. And then this boots. And then some books with a mug on top. Planner. A girl, pretty girl holding her planner. Another girl. Me time. Another stack of washi tape. Yeah, washi tapes. And then I got you. You are my home. And then bows. Planner girl. I think this is somehow fall themed. And then the house. So those are all the die cuts for this month. Next we have this clear stamps, plan, leave, repeat again. And then this beautiful florally stamps also. Home is where all my planners are. Follow your heart. And then we have the stickers. So these are the stickers for this month. I really love the gold foiling. And then the planner girl. And then beautiful. Just beautiful. And then we also have these dates. And more stickers. Take a leap of faith. Embrace change. And then Monday through Sunday. Ah, this is beautiful. So those are all the stickers for this month. For the month of August, we also have a sticker book. So this one, we also have another sticker book with a pretty design. Beautiful, just beautiful. And then we also have this clear sticker with gold foil. Ah, this is really pretty. And then we have this B6 dashboard set. Joy, home, grow through the change. Today I choose joy. She is strong and beautiful. So those are the dashboard set for this month. And last but not the least, we have pattern papers. Oh, this is so pretty. We have 3 pattern papers with 6 different designs. And we also have this vellum and acetate sheet. This is the vellum. And this is the acetate sheet. So these are all the contents, the beautiful contents of the box for the month of September. I am really happy with what I got. And I hope that you also enjoy this unboxing video. And please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!